170,000 rotating rack oven. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall height will be 90 inches. And the depth, coming from the back to the top of the roof, we have 76 inches in depth. In length, we have 44.25 inches. Also included will be 2 rolling racks. The interior dimensions. From the back to the before the front of the door, we're looking at 39.75 inches. Overall length will be 38 inches. And the height we have at least 74.5 inches. Coming here are your controls for the rotating rack oven. The first 3 is your thermal regulators. One's for temperature, timer, and steam. Coming down here are the 3 turn buttons for light, rotation, and steam. Lastly, the light indicator for the oven. The back of the rotating rack oven are your inlets. Your bottom being for water and the top for gas. Coming over here is the plate with the gas and electrical specifications. For more details about this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.